click on Alice Johnson there in the column on the left hand side, and then I'm going to go to the data tab, and I want to go down to split text to columns and select that option. Now I'm going to zoom in here so you can see that, but the separator has detected automatically, or you can drop down and just confirm whether the information that you want to separate is separated by a space, a period, a comma, a semicolon, or custom there if you want to. Now I could leave it as separate, detect automatically, but I'm going to put space in, and then you can see it split up Alice and Johnson there quite nicely. And I can obviously do this now for the rest of them. So if I click on the rest of them and do the same, now that you've seen it once, if I go to data, split text to column, I'm going to select a space so that it knows exactly what it's doing, and just click away. You can see there now it's separated out my first name and last name really simply just by using that option in data, that split text to columns. So super useful little function that's there. You don't even have to create the function, it's already available just as a clickable option. Just remember, if you can, I would suggest you select what is separating your data, because detecting it automatically might not always work, but you do have a custom option there if you want to work with that one as well.